Good afternoon. I'm Tanya Rogers in for Shannon Cake, and welcome to the Now South Florida. Well, right now, something has to change. Something has to be done to stop the dramatic spike in drug overdoses and deaths in our viewing area. Martin County calls that something Operation Doolittle. Now, today, the sheriff announced his deputies have put 21 suspected dealers behind bars. The Now's Megan McRoberts is live to explain why this is just the beginning. Megan?
Tanya, this drug sweep is the result of a near year-long investigation here in Martin County. The goal is to arrest as many drug dealers as possible in Martin County, selling anything from marijuana to opiates and synthetic drugs. 21 arrests have been made so far, but there's still more than a dozen to come.
These are the people putting dangerous drugs in Martin County schools and neighborhoods, so says Martin County Sheriff William Snyder. And his hit list has the names of dozens of more dealers. Deputies have been tracking them and successfully buying drugs off these suspected dealers since February. Some already have lengthy criminal histories.
There are people on our streets constantly attacking our citizens by way of distributing dangerous drugs.
Snyder claims the people his deputies arrested are selling crack cocaine, heroin, LSD, and synthetic drugs like fentanyl. Wednesday, arrest teams hit the streets all over the county from Jensen Beach to Hope Sound and out to Indiantown. They arrested 21 of 35 people targeted in this operation. Detective Joseph Colazo believes the roundup is already shaking up the drug dealing community.
The streets are quiet right now. There's not a soul out. Everybody, I believe, is hiding.
I think everybody in Martin County that's dealing in narcotics thinks they're one of the few we haven't gotten. So we'll see now if they've won the lottery or not.
The motivation for this operation? The sudden spike in overdose deaths. 22 deaths this year in Martin County and 72 overdoses.
So we've really been focusing on that opiate problem that we have.
Detectives hope these arrests will save lives.
Now, I had the rare opportunity to ride along with an arrest team earlier this week to see how operations like this work. I was there as 3 people were arrested. I also had the tense moments when one suspect escaped police custody and led deputies on a brief chase. I'll have that all new at 6 on WPTV. Reporting live in Martin County, I'm Megan McRoberts for the Now South Florida.